Hey guys, it is Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So, today we have a lender by the name of Robin Hood. Now, Robin Hood offers this exclusive X1 credit card that is made out of 17G of stainless steel. But that's not all. They also have a no annual fee whatsoever, and you can also be approved for this credit card without no hard impact to your credit score whatsoever. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into these experience that they say that they offer. Now they offer you a metal credit card that is one tap away. You can get notified immediately about all your purchases. If you're charged incorrectly, dispute in just a few steps. Find any transaction with a quick and easy search. Points are awarded in the minute you spend. Lost your card? Get a new one right away. Okay, that sounds really cool and simple. But let's go ahead and get into this rewards on every purchases. So they offer 2 times points on purchases. They offer 3 times points every time you spend $1,000 in a month. They also offer 4 times, 5 times, and even 10 times points for every invited friend who gets a credit card with them. Now, you can also see right here they have what your points are worth. So if you have 80,000 points, that is worth $800. If you spend or make 90,000 points, that is worth $900. If you have 100,000 points, that is $1,000. Now, the good thing about this card is they have a limit so high as up to $27,000, okay? And you can get an increase within 6 months of making your payments on time, okay? They also have the redeem points at brands that you love. They have Apple, Beats, Best Buy, Adidas, Airbnbs, Amazon, American Airlines, just some really great redeem points that you can earn from this credit card. And the best thing that I think that they have is you can buy stocks with your points. I don't think I have ever heard of that with credit cards ever. This is the first for me. So I think that is really, really cool. Or you can get instant cash back right away. This just seems like a pretty cool card. They have active boosts on everyday spending to earn even more points. So, you guys, if you are looking for a credit card with super, super, super high limits with no credit history, this could be the card for you. The application process is very simple and straightforward. You can get a response within 60 seconds if you are approved or denied. Again, with an approval or a denial, there will not be no hard impact to your credit score whatsoever. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit that like, share, and subscribe button.